Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm bringing an update to the Rakutenomatic plugin. So this is a Rakuten affiliate plugin, and today it was updated to version 2.0, and it is using now the newest version of the Rakuten API. So to match the requirements of this new API, you will need to update the plugin settings, because in the old version of the plugin you needed to enter here your Rakuten username and password. So this will be changing now to your API client ID and API client secret from Rakuten. To get this, hover on this question mark and click on the here word, and you will go to this page where you will be able to log in. So let me log out from here because I'm already logged in. So click on login, and this page will appear for you. If you don't have a Rakuten advertising account and you had an old account in Rakuten, you can click the update now button and you will be able to migrate your old Rakuten account to the new Rakuten API account. After you have done this, you need to log in here to your old Rakuten account and configure everything that it's asked from you, because as you will see here, you will be asked first name, last name, email address, new password, and they will be able to migrate your old Rakuten account to your new account. So now let me go ahead and log in back again. So there's an unknown issue here. Let me try in a new incognito window and simply hit login. Now I will be using the email and password that I have on Rakuten, and now I will be signing up and signing in for the API account. So here you can create a new API credential, click on add application, add a name here and click create. So after this you will be able to use the client ID and client secret. So this is the client ID, copy it and use it here in the plugin settings in the client ID settings field, and copy also the secret and use it here. Don't bother using these because I will delete them after I create the video. Also the Rakuten advertising site ID, this is the SID. This can be imported from here by clicking on this button, and the site ID is these numbers from your Rakuten advertising dashboard. So after you entered all these, you can click Save Settings. Now we can go to Rakuten API to posts and click Authorize the app. This is all you need to do, because afterwards the plugin will function as normal as before. So let's check our site, it's empty, and let's import some products from Rakuten. So the music keyword is used to import 2 products and the green check mark appeared, and if we refresh our site, here are 2 products from Rakuten. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope that you will enjoy this update. The Rakutenomatic plugin is linked in this video's description. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.